Hi, Lee! Ang message ko sa'yo ay, happiest birthday, Lee. May this remind you of your coffee intake. Ay, bakit may ano? Sorry, meron akong script. Pero ayun, happy birthday to one of our huh? Pero yun, to one of our most single friend na very available sa lahat. At hindi ko alam, available ka sa lahat, pero hindi ka namin mahagilap. Why? Pero kidding aside, yung first, my gift for you, hopefully, by the time na nagkita tayo, or by the day ng birthday mo, bit-bit ko to, and as well as matuloy tayo, sana, kasi ipaplano ko pa yon. Pero yon, thank you for your another life. Ako nag-thank you, decision ako. Thank you for sharing it again with us. Kahit na hindi ko alam bakit ba magkaibigan pa tayo. Kasi parang wala namang magandang naidulot. Pandemya, lahat, 'di ba? So bakit? Pero yun, kidding aside, I hope lagi kang ligtas at alam ko namang libre ang iyong pamasahe. Joke lang. Pero yun, I wish you all the best. And sana mapakilala ka na sa amin para sana may mapakilala ka na sa amin tapos may kotse din para makalayo-layo na tayo. Yun, I really hope na we get to travel soon with our friend na nasa loob ng kumbento. Sana our year will be 2027. Excited. Pero yun, happiest birthday and we just love you so much. Plastic.
Hi Lee, this is your one and only corporate buddy sa buhay mo. Charis. So, paano mo ba sisimulan itong pamamlastic ko? So, first of all, I just wanted to say happy birthday sa'yo. And if you're going to see this, please know na this is 100% ka-plastikan. This is for formality lang po. Charis. So, just wanted to share this moment with you na we're glad to have you in the circle. And as you all know, yung past natin, Lee, it started as something's really spontaneous. From that thing to being, one of the strongest bonds that I had in high school. So I'm really fortunate to be one of your friends then, and I'm really glad that I'm still in your circle and I'm still your friend here in Cainta. So I don't have any messages naman na special since alam ko naman na pagod din ako. We have all work and hindi tayo masyado nakikita because of work. But I just wanted to say this that I really appreciate you and happiest birthday with you. And kung makita mo to, you know that we all love you. Thank you, Lee. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Hindi ako makagawa ng heart pero happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hindi ko alam yung sasabihin, tsaka bawal tong ginagawa ko. Pag ako talaga naibig, kasalanan mo, Lia. Birthday pa kasi, ang daming alam eh. Kakainis naman to eh. Seryoso. Hindi ko naman sasabihin. Ano na? Hi, hello. Kylie, tama ka na. Yun lang. Yun lang ang sasabihin. Meet you. Ew.
Happy birthday, Lee. Hindi pa babaan. Ulit naman. Happy birthday, Lee. God bless. Okay na.
Hi, Leah. Happy birthday. Seriously, Ron? Thank you for your presents. Wow, presents? thank you for your life. I'm very grateful na na-meet kita as a friend this college. And I'm really thankful din na hanggang ngayon friends pa rin tayo. Medj. Eme. I hope na maghanap ka na ng malapit na tirahan mo sa St. Paul kasi everyday ka nag-travel to like, girl, danas yarn. Danas na danas ko, girl. Anyways, nasa klase ako. So, kapag gusto mong mahirapan pa sa life, gusto mong danas pa, mag-enroll ka para gayahin mo ako na hindi na alam ang gagawin. I hope you're the best. I hope you're the best in life. I'm always here if ever gusto mo nang kausap. Pero mostly naman kalokohan yung pinag-uusapan natin. Pero happy birthday, happy Halloween, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Happy birthday, Kuya Lee. Thank you for being such a reliable kuya and isa sa mga sumisita sa akin. I appreciate you for that. I wish for this day to be filled with happiness and love kasi deserve mong ma-enjoy yung araw na to. And makaangat sa buhay, 'di ba? Kasi makikinabang din naman kami. But either way, sana maging happy ka lang, good health, strong heart, and sana dumating yung person for you. Happy birthday again, Kuya Lee, and blow the candle.
Hi Lee, happy birthday! So ayun, sana masaya ka ngayong araw at na-enjoy mo. And kung may trabaho ka man, sorry na lang. Wala, nagtatrabaho ka eh. Hindi ka nag-leave. Charot. Pero ayun, sana magtuloy-tuloy yung success mo sa buhay dahil deserve mo naman yon bilang isa kang mabuting kaibigan sa lahat sa amin. And thankful na nandyan ka at lagi mo kami dinadamayan sa lahat nung APP days, college days, sa lahat. Di ko na rin mabilang kung ano yan. Pero ayan, wishing you good health, love life, pero lahat ng good sa mundo. Ayan. You deserve those. Happy birthday, Lee!
Hi Lee Justin! Happy birthday and I hope na enjoy mo yung surprise namin for you. Thank you so much for this friendship and thank you most especially for fighting for it. So sorry ulit sa mga naging kasalanan ko but thank you so much sa lots and lots of patience and understanding, sabi mo nga, and tiyaga for us to always find the middle ground and for us to understand each other. So thank you for everything and happy birthday!
Hi Lee! Happy birthday! And I hope you like our little celebration today and always God bless and good health. Tapos, thank you kasi naging close ka namin. And huwag na kayo mag-away ni Jella. Huwag nang cut off pa. Utang na loob naman. Anyway, bye-bye! Love you always!
Hi Lods, happy 24th birthday, Lee. No, so I wish you all the best in life. No, enjoy mo lang tong araw na to. Sana marami ka pang birthdays na dumating. And also blessings. Sana di ka na dapat nakatira sa Cainta. Dapat dito ka na sa Manila. Sana hindi na tayo maingay dapat dito sa Calle Cafe na kasi napagtitigil na tayo ng mga tao. Sana mabuhay ka pa na matagal. Dapat di ka na muna mamatay. Tapos sana kiss mo ako ulit. I love you lots. Happy birthday ulit.